Hi, I'm James Pugh, Business Unit Manager for Engineered Systems in the UK, and I'm excited to be here today to introduce the latest in heat exchanger technology from Spirax Sarco. The new EasiHeat is set to redefine efficiency and performance of steam systems worldwide. After 135 years of world-class manufacturing, the new EasiHeat has been designed to significantly enhance heat transfer efficiency. Now let's take a look at what makes this heat exchanger so special. Traditional heat exchangers often struggle with demand at peak times. If you've had complaints of water too hot or too cold, our EasiHeat optimizes thermal energy flow to heat the water you need to the temperature you require. Now available in an innovative dual control design, the new EasiHeat combines the benefits of steam and condensate control, a high level of set point accuracy, and subcooled condensate at varying operating loads. But we didn't stop there. The latest EasiHeat is digitally connected for better energy monitoring and insights at your fingertips. The results? Improved efficiency and reliability and reduced operational costs. Each EasiHeat is tailored to your needs, fully maintainable and fully tested to industry standard. We fully assemble, functionally and pressure test each EasiHeat before it leaves our factory here in Cheltenham to ensure a stress-free installation. The controls are simple too. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or setting up a new one, the EasiHeat seamlessly integrates into your building management system to maximize process uptime. For ongoing peace of mind, our experienced team are on hand to offer services and support during installation, commissioning and beyond to keep your process on track. If you're looking to improve energy efficiency, the new EasiHeat offers better performance and more sustainable heat generation than before.